This is gonna be harder than I thought. That's for breaking my heart.
Really? Because it felt like it was for not calling when I got back into town.
Oh, that one will come when you least expect it. Would you put a shirt on or something? Well, at least I know why I got canned from your speed dial.
The whole jumping to conclusions thing before getting the full story, how's that working out for you?
Huge time saver.
The dinner's for you. I knew you'd be on my doorstep. And if you weren't, I'd have been on yours. I missed you. More than you could possibly know.
If you think the glistening muscle answering the door in your bare chest routine was gonna work, you were dead on.
You're all I could think about.
Nice try. Does that work on all the fishnet leather-clad blondes you have stashed on the balcony?
Get out!
Ollie. Ollie. Oh my God.
Lois?
Oh, don't even think of looking at me right now. So, in all those nights together, somewhere between brushing teeth and spooning in the sheets, you didn't think that it might be a good time to mention that you prowled the streets with green leather and a compound bow?
Well, I don't usually bring the compound bow.
Oh, so now he's a funny hero. I can't believe you didn't tell me you were Green Arrow.
Hard to imagine why when you're taking it so well.
Oh, you'd think the lacerating ropes and platinum fembot might have something to do with my lack of empathy? So what? Little Ollie got bored with dodgeball and PE and decided to play William Tell? Whoa, wait a second. I kissed Green Arrow last year when you were standing there with me in the alley.
Yeah, I remember that with precise detail.
I can't believe you. You who were supposedly my boyfriend arranged for me to be lip-locked with some wannabe hero.
Lois!
How do you put up with that?
I don't know what it is you want from me, but I'm hoping we just got off on the wrong foot.
You can save your charm for your squawking parrot over there.
Whatever someone's paying you, I can beat it.
You know, this is more than just about money, pretty boy. This is about something that you and your merry band of thieves might not understand. Justice.
Lady Justice must be blinder than I thought she was if she's got you on her side.
Just tell me this. What goes through the mind of a terrorist when he's about to set off a